Sixth day of Spring Festival.
Night rains have tapped since New Year's Eve. Each drop a pulse spring. On the move. Alone, I listen. Undismayed. Who says bare eaves make spring delayed? A friend arrives. The scene is set. No, plum in bloom. I'll take it yet. The creek runs clear. The waters rise. Tender grass lifts toward the skies.
正月初6日，南宋韩虎。开年竹叶闻山雨，阵阵声催一阳春。孤枕自听园不饿，虚言谁未便能新。门前有客游泉美，园里无梅亦故真。水活正添幽见露，草生鲜嫩一出云。